If you like free things, you'll love this makeover. This Hobby Lobby table was out on the curb for free in our neighborhood, and we snatched it up. But the white paint was really dirty, and no matter how much I cleaned it, it just stayed dirty. Plus, I didn't care for the chippy look, so we gave this table a makeover. We always start by cleaning furniture before painting. We use crud cutter and a damp rag to get rid of any dirt, grime, or residue. Then we checked for any loose bolts and screws and tightened them up with a hex key. Once that was done, we sanded the base of the table with 220 grit sandpaper. The original finish had a chippy, rough texture, so we wanted to smooth that out a bit. This also helps the paint adhere better to the surface and gives a smoother overall finish. We vacuumed up the dust from sanding and wiped everything down with a tack cloth to get rid of any remaining particles. Then we took the table outside and sprayed it with 2 coats of clear shellac to prime it before painting. Then we let the primed table dry overnight. Next, we taped off the top of the table with painter's tape and pre-taped plastic, since we wanted to make sure we didn't get any paint on the top. And then we painted the base. I used Melange 1 paint in Basilisk Black. It's an awesome all-in-one paint for furniture that already includes a primer, paint, and top coat. We sprayed 2 coats of Basilisk Black to the bottom of the table with HomeRite Finish Max paint sprayer. A cheap paint sprayer that is good for beginners who need a cheap option and are okay with taking some time to thin out the paint so it can spray out of the sprayer. Since Melange 1 already has a top coat, we didn't need to add a top coat. I love that feature. Once the paint was dry, we carefully removed the painter's tape and plastic, and we left the original wood stain on the top of the table. We just cleaned it up. It was in really good condition as is. Here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. Doesn't it look so much better now? The deep base color really makes the stained wood top stand out, and the black gives it a more modern and stylish vibe compared to its previous farmhouse style. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and share our videos with your friends. It helps us out so much to get our videos out to more people, so then we can help more people with their furniture. So thank you so much. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.